it is now illegal to record the police officers. I can seize your phone right now as evidence. That's fine. Let me see your phone. Go ahead and end it.
No.
He tells the guy it's illegal to record police in Missouri and then threatens to seize the phone. We're using only the key moments because the legal issues are clear. The claim, the ID demand, the order to stand in front of the patrol car, and the phone seizure.
What's up, bud? You got ID with you?
Sorry, don't.
You have no ID with you?
No, I'm not in my truck. Plus, it's not a stop and ID state. I'm not committing.
No, it is. Do you realize you are in Missouri? It is now illegal to record the police officers. I can seize your phone right now as evidence. That's fine. Let me see your phone. Go ahead and end it.
No.
End it right now. Or I will place you under arrest.
A couple of felonies.
Listen, do you understand what I just said to you? Stop it right now. Stop it right now. Do you understand? Listen to me. Listen to me. Stop.
Turn it off. I'll turn it off.
Stop. Right now. Do you understand me?
Yes, sir. I understand. It's a live stream. There's no evidence on the phone. You just turned it off, so there's nothing recording now.
It is illegal in the state of Missouri to film us.
Supreme Court's already ruled
No.
against that.
I'm going to seize your phone
Sir,
as evidence.
I suggest you don't do that.
Oh, I don't care what you suggest.
You're
being recorded right here.
Okay.
Let me see your ID.
You've lost your qualified immunity.
Let me see your ID. Do you understand what I just asked you? Let me see your ID. You're interfering with my traffic stop. Let me see your ID.
I'm on the other side of the street.
It doesn't matter. You're taking my attention away from my traffic stop because now I have to watch over here to see what you're doing to make sure you're not going to harm me. Therefore, you're interfering with my stop because I am now taking my attention away from my traffic stop. Do you understand what I just said? Give me your ID.
But I'm telling you.
Give me. Listen, I don't want your explanation. I don't want your explanation. Do you understand that?
Oh, I understand.
Okay then. Great. Now do we understand each other?
Officer Casey forced him to identify himself. After running his information and supposedly checking the phone's contents, the officer kept escalating, lecturing him and holding him detained for nearly 20 minutes.
Stand right here in front of my patrol car. Stand in front of my patrol car. And I'm just telling it. You're not out here asking me questions. You understand that? Yeah, no, I didn't. Okay.
That's my opinion.
I don't care what your opinion is. All right? Do you know what a felony is in the state of Missouri from being from Texas? I don't think so, okay?
You don't have a...
What did you say?
You've committed federal felony.
No, there is no...
Civil rights violation.
Right. Where's your vehicle at, bud?
Here.
Huh?
Here.
Where? Where? Which one?
Why do you want to know, sir?
Because I asked you where your vehicle is. Which one?
About eight trucks back.
8 trucks back.
Back.
Here's the deal, bud. You have no idea what's going on out here, okay?
I have absolutely no idea.
Exactly.
I have no
So you have...
interference.
Listen. Stop interrupting me. Let me talk.
Go right ahead.
When we're conducting a traffic stop with a well-known drug dealer...
I kind of figured that since
Okay.
you made her shake her bra out.
I didn't make her do that. She did that all on her own.
I have nothing against what you're doing.
But you're out here trying to record us and trying to act like you know the laws. Shh. What did I just say about interrupting me, bud? Am I letting you talk when you talk? Let me talk. Let me explain things. Okay? You're over here trying to act like, you know, you're one of them guys that want to quote the laws of the cops and act like you know everything and act like all this. I committed federal felonies. There's no such thing. You don't even know what you're talking about, bud. All right? I've done nothing wrong. I'm well within my rights to do my job. Like I said, you're over here interfering with my stop because now I see you over here. I see something, a red light flashing at us occasionally. I don't know if that's a laser. I don't know what that is. There was some sort of red light coming off of your phone. I saw it several times. That's what caught my attention over here, okay? To watch you and see what you're doing. To make sure that you're not sitting over here with a weapon that's going to hurt me or my partner or the people that we have stopped over here. I don't know you. I don't know what you're doing over here. Does that make sense to you?
Oh, what you're saying makes sense. I don't agree.
It doesn't matter if you agree or not, okay? That's what you're doing. Now, I can seize this phone if I want to, get a search warrant, and search it for any evidence pertaining to my traffic stop if you would like me to do so.
No, I wouldn't.
Then I would suggest,
You wouldn't find it because I strangled
it doesn't matter. It's still on your phone somewhere, somehow.
No, that's not how it works. But I understand.
It is how it works, bud.
I understand.
Okay? I would suggest you get back in your vehicle, let us do our job. We have more than enough officers over here. What's that?
I had no intention of interfering.
But that's what you were doing.
In your opinion,
No, it's not my opinion. That is, by statute, what you're doing. I don't care what you agree with or disagree with. I would suggest you get in your vehicle, bud. Have a good night. We have more than enough officers over here. Didn't know what we're doing.
And I wasn't trying to interfere.
But-
I wasn't on
but
her
you
side.
were.
I wasn't on
But
your
you
side.
were.
Just watching.
But you were.
My reasonable opinion, I'll let you know, is that what you just did was illegal.
What?
I'm not going to do anything against you.
What was illegal?
Unlawful detention, unlawful seizure,
I-
violation of First Amendment rights. Supreme
First
Court's-
Amendment rights?
Yes, sir. First
How did I?
Amendment freedom of the press.
No.
You seized my phone.
Yeah.
You illegally detained me. You illegally
No, I
ID'd
didn't
me
illegally
for
detain
arrest.
you.
You have no RAS of a crime.
No what?
The Supreme Court's already ruled that obstruction, interference.
It's a
what
crime
you're on,
here in the city of Peabody.
I'd have to be close to you.
No,
and
you
actually
don't.
present a physical
No.
threat for it to actually.
Nope. Nope.
Yeah,
Nope.
it is.
No.
And even
You
if-
realize the distance a rifle could shoot?
Yes, but
Yeah.
guess what?
Therefore, so I don't
Isn't
listen.
this a constitutional carry state?
It doesn't matter. If you
So-
have a weapon
no,
pointed
I'm
at me, that's
just-
not legal.
Just
That is not legal. If you have a weapon pointed at
And
me,
as soon as you
that
saw the
is
cell
not
phone,
legal.
You don't have any RAS.
Did I pat you down? I don't know if you got anything on you.
I don't. But on the other hand, it wouldn't be illegal for me to do that. I believe you guys just went constitutional carry.
Yeah, we can open carry in this state. You're absolutely
Okay,
right.
so
But
if
having
I
a
had
weapon
been
pointed at me is
one
two
of
different
those
things.
First Amendment guys, what you're talking about.
No.
And I've been standing here with a rifle on my back. It would have been illegal for you to detain me then too, unless I actually had
First-
it unslung.
I never detained you.
You seized my property, sir.
I held on to your phone while I conducted our business.
You seized my property.
That has nothing to. You could have turned around and walked away.
It's a
You
detain-
could have turned around and walked
said
away.
If I didn't give you ID, you
Nope.
were going to arrest me.
No.
said
You
that on
could
your
have
body.
turned around and walked away.
You said in your body cam. If
Bye.
I didn't, I'd be arrested.
Goodbye.
If I
Have a
stand
good night.
Here, are you going to arrest me?
Bye.
I'm just asking a question. If I still stand here, are you going
I'm
to arrest
saying goodbye to you.
me? Okay. If I stand here, are you going to arrest me?
If you start recording us again and interfering with my stop, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to seize your phone and I'm going to arrest you for interfering once again with my stop. So I would suggest, yeah, it's right here, bud.
Now, the audit, based on what's on tape and what the law actually says today. First, the officer's statement. It's illegal to record police in Missouri is not correct. Missouri doesn't have a law banning filming police in public, and courts broadly recognize a First Amendment right to record public officials performing duties in public spaces, as long as you're not physically interfering. Second, interference isn't whatever an officer feels in the moment. If someone is across the street recording and not obstructing, recording alone generally isn't interference. Third, the phone. Threatening to seize a phone because it contains video is a major Fourth Amendment problem. Officers generally need a warrant or a real recognized exception to take or search a device just because it has evidence on it. Finally, the command to stand in front of my patrol car, combined with the officer holding the person's phone, is not a friendly chat. It's consistent with a detention and a seizure, both of which require legal justification under the Fourth Amendment. Laws vary by state. Educational, not legal advice.